This one is something that's dear to my heart because I don't think most people understand how important our career field is. And yes, I consider this a career field. Marketing to property owners is a career field. Wholesaling, flipping, being a landlord, all these things, those are just exit. But how we market to homeowners, how we communicate with them, that's a service. We're in the hospitality industry, whether you like it or not. And there is bad apples in every industry, and I would applaud you if you're not one of those bad apples. Please don't do anything you can't do. If you can't actually do something, don't tell them that you'll do it. Don't mislead them. Be honest with them. Because again, we're in the hospitality industry. We're calling homeowners and we're trying to figure out if there's motivation where they need to sell a property that the retail market cannot serve. And that's a lot. Even though the retail market, the MLS, is where majority of homes are listed and sold, there's a lot of people who are not able to do that, right? They're not actually able to list their home. And there's also a lot of people who are not able to actually buy a home off the MLS. So for that reason, without going further into the detail, whenever somebody comes up and they start talking bad about what you do, I normally let them know, hey Dave, I am so sorry. Listen, it sounds like we got off on the wrong foot. You might be surprised with the amount of people who actually need my help or our help, my team's help. Dave, to be honest, I have helped a lot of people, but that doesn't sound like the case here. You right now, you sound like you can just handle yourself just fine. And let them answer you. And most likely, no matter what the case is, he's going to probably say yes, because people don't like to admit that they're weak, but you're also making them okay right now, right? Because you just told them that a lot of other people need help and you help a lot of other people. And you also told them that that's not the case here. So that just made them okay again. You can reframe this many different times, but overall, you just want to apologize. Hey, I'm sorry that I caught you at a bad time. Listen, I understand your frustration, but listen, you might actually be surprised how many people actually need my help when I call. And I know it might be a shock to you because it doesn't really sound like you need anybody's help, and you definitely don't need to sell your house right now. Is that correct? You reframe it another way and just go more professional, right? Hey, I'm so sorry, Dave. Listen, you would be surprised how many people actually need my help, my professionalism, because there's a lot of situations that they actually cannot sell their home on the retail market, and it sounds like you don't even want to sell your home at all. So yeah, listen, if there's anything I can do for you in the future, please, this is my number. Reach out, let me know. Thank you. Let them talk, let them respond, get off the phone. But overall, you want to communicate to them that there is a huge need for what you do, and you talk and you help to a lot of people, which is true. Like, you might not do it yourself, but overall as an industry, there's a huge need for us, especially for us with integrity and honor. Please do not mistreat people.